back, everybody. We're going to do another collaboration with Merrymade HTV vinyl. They have asked me if I would do some glow-in-the-dark vinyl for them. Little treat bags for kids, and I found those on Amazon, and they came in like 6 different colors. There was a total of 12. So here are the little bags that we're going to use for treat bags, and I'm going to put something really cute on the front of them. So these will be donated to Sarah's Smile, which is an organization that was founded by my girlfriend in memory of her daughter, and they are then in turn going to take those up to Lurie Children's Hospital. So there'll be some little treat bags for the kids. So I'm very excited that I can do this and be able to help out both my girlfriend and the hospital. So let's get started. I have some designs that I've already created, and I'm waiting on one more vinyl, but in the meantime, we can go ahead and get started. So Merrymade Vinyl has been great. I have used their matte finish HTV and also their glitter HTV. And they actually sent me some more glitter HTV. Holy cow, this is gorgeous. I do think it's a little hard to weed. I had to use my bright pad for that. So if you have a bright pad, or you can put that up against something where you can try to see where the cut lines are, it'll work out just fine. So the matte HTV, that weeded out great. Everything pressed on very nicely, and I haven't had any problems with the creations that I made for them prior. I'm gonna take you over to the Cricut, and I'm gonna show you the designs that I've come up with. We're gonna have some fun.